How to log in to Liteblue USPS employee portal. Hi everybody, in today's tutorial we're going to look at how you can easily log into the Liteblue USPS employee portal. First thing you have to do is simply search for Liteblue USPS employee login and you'll find the first link liteblue.usps.gov. Tap on that link. And once you tap on it, you'll have this big sign in button right here. Head over to the sign in option and you'll be taken over to the sign in portal. First thing you need to do is provide your employee ID. So just enter your employee identification number. And if you want the browser to keep you signed in, check this box so that it remembers your login info. Tap on next. And if you have entered your ID correctly, you'll be able to enter your password. So just verify your account with your password. If you want to view your password, tap on this I button and you can click on verify. If you have forgotten your password, click on password recovery to recover your password. So you can just go ahead and tap here on the password recovery option. And they'll send you a mail on your Liteblue official mail. And that's basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys in the next video.